XRP's on-chain data looks tilted toward bulls thanks to strong accumulation among its richest addresses. Notably, the cryptocurrency's correction period has coincided with an increase in its supply among addresses, with a balance between 100,000 and 10 million tokens. In total, these so-called whales have purchased $6.82 million worth of XRP tokens over the past week. In other words, these whales are buying XRP at the likely local lows, indicating their conviction about a price rise in December, which corresponds with the bull flag setup presented above. The daily chart illustrates that Ripple encountered seller dominance when attempting to surpass the 74-cent mark, impeding further upward momentum. Subsequently, the price entered a correction stage, retracing toward a pivotal support region on the daily chart. This critical support range encompasses the 100 and 200-day moving averages, along with a static support level of 54 cents, providing substantial psychological support for Ripple. Given recent price action and the significance of the 54-cent support range, there is a high likelihood of an extension of the consolidation stage, with the price experiencing volatility around this crucial mark. If Ripple buyers re-enter the market, a fresh uptrend could potentially be initiated with the aim of reclaiming the 74 cents resistance threshold. Turning attention to the 4-hour chart, Ripple's upward movement encountered a formidable barrier within a critical resistance region defined by the price range between the 0.5 and 0.618 levels of the Fibonacci retracement. Intensified selling pressure in this crucial region led to a notable decline, marked by an extended retracement. In the event that this retracement continues, Ripple's multi-month ascending trend line, denoted by orange lines, and the static support region of 48 cents are poised to serve as the price's main support. However, a successful breach of the 0.618 level of the Fibonacci retracement would invalidate this scenario, potentially triggering a substantial upward movement for Ripple's price. XRP may need to undergo a short sell-off period before confirming the upside continuation setup as whales demonstrate bullishness. The so-called bull flag pattern develops when the price consolidates inside a parallel channel after a strong uptrend. It resolves after the price breaks above the upper trend line with convincing volumes and rises by as much as the previous uptrend's height. As of November 26th, XRP was trading above its bull flag's upper trend line, albeit accompanying weaker volumes. That technically indicates a weaker conviction among traders about XRP's bullish continuation. The duration of traders' indecisiveness could have XRP price test the flag's upper trend line as support. That means a decline toward 59 cents, coinciding with a historical support level and the 50-day exponential moving average by November. This level is also around XRP's downside target on the weekly timeframe chart. XRP may then climb towards 75 cents in December, up over 20% from current price levels, if the bull flag scenario holds and is characterized by a high volume rebound from the upper trend line. Conversely, breaking below the flag's upper trend line would delay the bullish continuation setup, bringing the lower trend line near 54 cents, coinciding with the 200-day EMA, into play as the next downside target. It's been a strange roller coaster of a year for XRP minus 1.04%. There was a mini rally in March, a huge rally in July, and another mini rally in mid-October. But after all that, XRP is still trading for just 62 cents. That's nearly 35% below its intraday high of 95 cents. That would seem to put XRP squarely in buy the dip territory. If you believe in XRP's long-term growth prospects, then scooping up some XRP now might seem to be a relative bargain. But there are 3 key factors to keep in mind if you plan on buying XRP. XRP is reliant on a single catalyst right now: resolution of its long-running court case with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Since December 2020, the SEC has been attempting to classify XRP as an unregistered security. So the price of XRP has been highly correlated with the zigs and zags of that case. If the market thinks that Ripple Labs is close to winning its case, then the price goes up. If the market thinks that Ripple Labs is close to losing its case, the price goes down. That explains the wild roller coaster ride of XRP this year. Every quarter, it seems, some new detail about the case is released, or some new twist and turn in the legal arguments takes place. In mid-July, for example, Ripple Labs won a huge legal victory, and the price doubled almost overnight from 48 cents to 95 cents. But then, when the SEC announced that it might appeal the ruling, XRP promptly gave back all of its gains within a month. For now, it looks like the XRP rollercoaster ride will continue into 2024 and beyond. While, admittedly, XRP is up a sizzling 82% for the year, that still pales in comparison to how other top cryptocurrencies are performing for the year. Bitcoin, BTC minus 0.98%, for example, is up 128% for the year. And other, riskier cryptocurrencies are up anywhere from 150% to 500% for the year. The newest market darling, Solana, SOL minus 2.16%, for example, is up a blistering 478% year to date. So, if you put XRP into this context, its performance doesn't look nearly as impressive. And, if you take into account the risk-reward profiles of other cryptocurrencies, XRP looks far less enticing as an investment. Just about anyone would agree that Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency in the world, with a massive $737 billion market cap, is less risky than XRP, which has a $33 billion market cap. Since Bitcoin is far outpacing XRP in terms of market performance this year, you're getting the best of both worlds with Bitcoin, better performance with less risk. Finally, there's the matter of XRP's underlying business model. 3 years ago, when the SEC court case started, it was possible to argue that XRP had the makings of a world-class payment system. The XRP crypto token helped to power the Ripple payment network, which was being used by financial institutions to send money across borders almost instantaneously at very low cost. But a lot has changed between now and then. We've seen the launch of entirely new blockchain projects that are faster, cheaper, and more efficient than Ripple. Solana, for example, officially launched in March 2020 and is theoretically capable of processing 65,000 transactions per second. That makes it one of the fastest blockchains in the world. That's a huge competitor on the scene that didn't exist 3 years ago. At the same time, XRP continues to deal with mounting legal fees and lost opportunities due to the ongoing SEC drama. Top Ripple executives told CNBC in May that the final legal cost of going head-to-head with the SEC might end up being more than $200 million. That's money that could have been used to build out the Ripple payment network. If you currently hold XRP in your portfolio, now is not the time to sell. There is still a chance that XRP could win its case against the SEC, and when it does, the price of XRP could increase significantly. So hold on to your XRP, but view it as a winning lottery ticket and not as a long-term investment. If you're a long-term investor, there are plenty of other cryptocurrencies out there with better long-term growth prospects. If you are risk-averse, then Bitcoin might be a better target. And if you are risk-seeking and willing to experience wild swings in volatility, then even Solana, which is almost caught up to XRP in terms of overall market cap, might be a better target for your portfolio. Before you buy stock in XRP, consider this. The Motley Fool Stock Advisor Analyst team just identified what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy now, and XRP wasn't one of them. The 10 stocks that made the cut could produce monster returns in the coming years. Stock Advisor provides investors with an easy-to-follow blueprint for success, including guidance on building a portfolio, regular updates from analysts, and 2 new stock picks each month.